Yo, Lux!
Hey guys,
Bro, ready ka na?
let's go!
Game!
It's time for health, wellness.
Health goal mo ay wellness. Health goal mo ay wellness. Tumayo na ang lahat, it's time to start the session. Health goal mo ay wellness. Mindanao, Luzon, Visayas, sama-sama sa wellness. Health goal mo ay wellness.
Pamilya, komunidad, at ikaw get up and dance. Kung wala kayong tanong, let me see you raise your hands.
Eat healthy para lumakas at sumaya. Sabay-sabay kumain ang lahat. Kalinisan, kabutihan, ingatan katawan. Kaligasa'y dapat inaalagaan. Huwag magpapauhaw, time na gumalaw. Tara na't sumayaw. Healthy habits. Health goal mo ay wellness. Seven healthy habits. Health goal mo ay wellness. Seven healthy habits.
Let's break it down.
1. Kumain ng iba't ibang pagkain. Masustansya, yan ang gusto namin. Huwag masyadong o di umadami. Eat in moderation palagi.
3. Huwag kalimutan ang tubig. Uminom ng gatas para you can go big. 4. Maghugas palagi ng kamay. Keep your hygiene on point, that's right.
It's time for 5. Keep moving, stay fit. Together so much better, that's rule number 6. Ito na ang 7. Tandaan ang kalinisan. Wala ang kalusugan kung sira ang kalikasan. Malusog at matalino,
Malakas at masaya.
sa healthy habits, kayang-kaya.
You know what to do now. Time na gumalaw.